Hello students, today we'll start our second topic of the chapter 10, units of measurement. So please see this video nicely to understand the topic.
Rita and Rahul are trying to get some books from the top rack of the bookshelf.
Rahul, I need that red book. I can see it from here, but can't reach it.
I can help you. Since I am taller than you, I can easily get it. Here's your book.
Oh, Rahul, you're not that tall. I could have just jumped up a little and got hold of the book.
Is it? Okay, then let's measure our heights.
Rahul gets a marker and a scale. He asks Rita to stand barefooted and straight against the wall. He then makes a mark in line with the top of her head with the help of the scale. He does the same for himself with his sister's help.
Okay, Rita, tell me, how will you measure the height now?
Why? I will use the span of my hand to measure. See, I'm 9 spans tall.
Show me your hand, Rita. Do you see that the span of my hand is bigger than yours? So if I use it to measure your height, then it would be much less than 9 spans. This is the reason why there are standard units of measurement. I can use the span of the hand to compare lengths, but not to measure length accurately.
In order to make measurements of any physical quantity such as length, area, mass or weight, temperature and volume, we need standard measures called units. The units we generally use in India are known as the metric units. The table shows some physical quantities and their units commonly used in the world. You might have visited a grocery store, right? So, how do the shopkeeper measure, say, a kilo of rice or sugar? With the help of a weighing scale, isn't it? Thus, we use standard instruments to measure every quantity. For example, length is usually measured with instruments such as a ruler or a measuring tape. So how do we measure the heights of Rahul and Rita? Yes, with a measuring tape. There you go. Look, Rita is 120 centimeters tall and Rahul is 140 centimeters tall. So, Rahul is taller than Rita. Now, is it possible to measure the height in kilometers? Yes, it is. But we generally use kilometers to measure large distances. For smaller distances, we use meters, and for even smaller lengths, we use the units centimeters and milliliters. As mentioned earlier, mass or weights are measured using weighing scales. Time is also a physical quantity. To measure time, we use clocks. The unit of time is seconds, minutes, and hours. Longer units can be a month and even a year. Other physical quantities like temperature and volume can be measured using a thermometer and a measuring jar respectively.
Rita, now do you know why using the span of the hand is not a correct method of measuring length?
Correct. That is why we come across so many measuring instruments in our everyday lives to measure various physical quantities.
Measurement. We use measurements to find the size of quantity. Length is the distance between 2 points. We use a ruler or tape to measure the length of objects such as a book. The unit of length is meter, which is written as m. Small distances are measured in centimeters, written as cm. And longer distances are measured in kilometers, which is written as km. Mass is the quantity of matter contained in an object. The standard unit of measuring mass is kilogram, written as kg. We use a weighing scale or a balance to measure mass of object such as sugar in kilograms. Smaller masses such as apples are measured in grams, written as G. Capacity is the quantity of liquid in a container. The standard unit of measuring capacity is liters, written as L. A measuring cylinder is used to measure the capacity of liquid such as water or milk. Small capacities are measured in milliliters, written as ml. Time is measured in the unit of second. In our clocks and watches, we can see 3 hands. The thin and fast-moving hand measures the seconds, the smaller periods of time. The thick and longer hand measures the minutes. 60 seconds make 1 minute. The shortest hand measures hours. 60 minutes make an hour. Summary. Length is measured in centimeters and meters. Mass is measured in grams and kilograms. Capacity is measured in milliliters and liters. Time is measured in seconds, minutes, and hours.
That's all for today, students. We will try to discuss another topic in the next video tomorrow.